I'm Chef Marina Mustafa, and today I'd like to show you my version of buttermilk prawns. Firstly, I'll prepare 300 grams of prawns. Sprinkle some salt and a little bit of pepper. Mix to combine. Coat the prawns in corn flour and shake off the excess flour. Set them aside. Deep fry the prawns in hot oil for 3 minutes until they turn pink. Now I'm going to set them aside and ready for the next step. Slice about 3 bird's-eye chilies and some garlic. In a hot pan, melt down 4 tablespoons of butter. Add 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Put in the sliced bird-eye chilies and add in the garlic slices. Gently pour in 3/4 cups of evaporated milk and reduce the flame. Simmer until the milk thickens. Add in some salt and a tablespoon of sugar. Beat about 1 tablespoon of flour with a bit of water and pour it over the gravy in order to thicken it a little bit. Scoop all the gravy over the prawns. Let's take a close-up look of the buttermilk prawns. Let's have a taste. It's perfect.